How's it going? It's Jackson over at the Contemporary Auto. We just got in this used, beautiful 4xe Wrangler in this beautiful green colorway. Great for off-roading, has the tow hooks right here. So if you ever get stuck, which you won't though, that's the Jeep. We got these beautiful color match fails, giant Bridgestones on these 20-inch wheels and these giant brakes here. And we got this beautiful 3-piece hold black top. So it's great for in the summer, but it also looks great in the winter. You don't have to worry about kind of cleaning off the cloth, having it damaged. Because it's a 4xe, it does come with a level 1 charger for your house, which is amazing if you're ever in a bind and can't get to a charger. We have this beautiful all leather interior, super nice, plenty of storage space here. Only has 47,000 miles on the dash, so it's a great reliable option for your next Jeep. And if you're interested in this Jeep, please call us or stop by and come test drive it.